It's totally an internal problem, and it blown up. And the castes have taken over, the Swamijis have taken over, which is most undesirable. I think the High Command now immediately step in and stop this, canvassing inside and outside. If they want to take a decision to change the CM or appoint a new one or whatsoever, it has to be done internally with the internal discussion, either with the Congress party legislators or the leaders or at the High Command. And now the issue has been thrown open, so that a lot of confusion has been created. It's not a desirable development.
Because of, sir, you was very bold leader of Congress party when you was the minister in the center and you was the chief minister of Karnataka. That's why I'm asking this question to you. Exactly who is responsible for this crisis?
I think of course, Congress alone is responsible, and maybe BJP now takes advantage of it. The BJP is trying to create problem against the Congress party everywhere. Now, you should not give fuel to them, so that they take advantage of this situation and, sabotage the party prospects. Party is quite strong in Karnataka, will be strong in future also. So, this is a solid, Congress base in Karnataka. We should not distort it or disturb that.
Sir, party high command is totally responsible for this crisis?
No. They are also equally responsible, because, now all these developments, they should not have allowed to develop to this level. Now at least, should be, I think, this development should not, develop into a national problem or the national politics or the politics, where the Swamijis or the castes, dictate terms. This is disastrous.
What sir, already, sir, Mallikarjun Kharge, party president, said that last day party high command will decide this crisis. So who is the party high command?
All right, party. No, I am not telling you who is the party high command. But the question is, they should. But before, every minute is important. It disturbs the mind of the people and also the electorate also, because after all, the electorate, we owe a responsibility to the electorate. And they should not think that, having elected you with overwhelming majority, you really abuse this kind of a mandate. I think we should reassure to the people that, Congress is strong and we are in a position to take immediate decision. Whatever the decision, it should be taken immediately.
But the party high command already the last option of the decision will be the CM. Siddaramaiah Sahib will continue his complete tenure, otherwise K. Kumar will be similar other phase. The party high command keeps silence in this matter.
No, silent is disastrous. So I don't think this is the time to keep quiet, and they will have to step down and say that, don't continue this kind of lobbying, with the communities, with the, don't take this issue to public. But internally, I think they have to demonstrate their willpower that we are in a position to resolve this, within the party.
What's your opinion and what you demanding the Rahul Gandhi, the Sonia Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge also solve this issue?
Yeah, they are capable of solving the issue. We have solved number of such issues, particularly Sonia ji. She is capable of resolving the problems. She is one leader, who always resolve the problems. The number of years she has been in charge of the party, and she has to now, she along with the other leaders should resolve this issue.
Already, sir, what happened in Chhattisgarh because of the 50-50 formula already in Chhattisgarh. Party high command keep silence in all tenure, and Congress party lose the election in Chhattisgarh.
Yeah.
Similarly, in Karnataka, party high command keep silence, nothing saying.
The silence is disastrous, and silence is going to destroy the edifice of the Congress party here.
And sir, in your opinion, was there any 50-50 formula?
That I don't know. But anyway, this so-called 50-50 formula has not helped the Congress at all. It has disturbed and disrupted the Congress edifice and everywhere. And having known that, now in future, I don't think there should be any 50-50 formula. And, if there is any 50-50 formula, they will have to implement it. without any hesitation. But this kind of allowing the public to voice their feelings and the edifice of the party, the strength of the party itself will be disturbed if they don't resolve it. And before the decision takes time, at least halt these people not to make such kind of ugly, the lobbying.
Sir, on behalf of your political experience, what is your suggestion and opinion for the Rahul Gandhi for this crisis?
No, whether Rahul Gandhi, Kharge or Sonia Ji, they will have to immediately stop these developments. The lobbying from outside should be stopped, and if they will have to resort to the internal, resolving the problems internally.
You are pure congressman. The party and the public of Karnataka suffering due to the conflict?
Yeah, definitely. The party is worried, and the rank and file of the party is. I have been a consistently loyal Congress leader in this party, and my advice is that this has to be first, before they take any decision, first resolve it, halt this kind of development and aberrations within the party.
But there are so many people in race for the CM post, and someone easily claimed at the chief ministerial post.
Yeah, if you allow things to, allow things to be loosened, everybody will join the race. So that will create more problem.
Because of Rahul Gandhi always talking about the EBC and the Dalits, could a Dalit MLA ever get a chance to become the chief ministerial post?
I have no opinion on that, and this is not the time. I will not add any some more confusion to the already confused atmosphere. And I think that Delhi has to halt this development first, then take decision.
Because you already hold this post, do you want to become chief minister? Your term was very successful in the CM office.
Yeah.
No,
I am not a candidate at all. I am not a candidate at all. And whoever is strong, we can, complete the term and, lead the party for a success next term also. I think such person should be selected.
Conflict only between the sitting chief minister and the DK Shiv Kumar only.
No, it appears like that, but as you rightly said, so many other,
yes.
They are also want to add more numbers, create more. Yeah. I am not good. I am no candidate, sir.
Why not any Dalit, sir?
No, I have no comments on that. Whoever is suitable to lead the party, bring back the party again, should be selected, and our person to be continued. That's all.
Because the BJP leader said that some of the religious guru
that is
backing some of the DK
No.
Siddharamaiah, but no one backing the Dalit candidate.
No, it is not a question of backing or not backing, but the question is that, what business the Swamijis have to promote the candidates for the chief ministership of Congress party.
It's not business of Swamiji.
No, because they do not know the party, and I don't think they should disturb. And I don't think, many of the Swamijis have also alliance with the Congress party. Rather, they have more alliance with the BJP.
So my last question is, everyone eye on the Delhi. Again, I am asking to you, sir, whose hand the decision? Who is responsible for this crisis? Similarly, Chhattisgarh, similarly, Karnataka.
Who is responsible? I think those leaders know it. I think they will have to now step out and resolve it immediately without any without any delay.
Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge.
No, I don't want to attribute any names.
Or Sonia ji, Rahul ji, and Kharge sahab.
I don't want to name anybody, and whoever is by command, whom they think that they can take decision, they should take decision.
Thank you, sir.